Welcome to my lesson about using a derived sketch. On my screen, I've got two faces and a fully defined sketch. The derived sketch command is located under the Insert menu. Right now, it's grayed out. In order to activate this tool, I first need to select the sketch that I want to copy and the face that I'm going to place it on. Let's select Sketch 2 and this face here. Now let's activate the tool again. Insert, Derived Sketch. And Solidworks copies the sketch to the face that I selected. Notice the sketch doesn't have dimensions. That's because the dimensions are driven by the original sketch. I can simply grab the sketch and drag it around. Let's add some dimensions and relations now. Parallel, 30 millimeters here. Accept. And let's apply one more dimension, 20 millimeters here. Okay, and our sketch is fully defined. Let's exit. Now let's try to edit the original sketch. Right-click on Sketch 2, Edit Sketch. Let's make a change to this dimension. 30 millimeters, okay, and exit the sketch. As you see, the derived sketch changes as well. To break the link between the two sketches, just right-click on the derived sketch and select Underive. Now Sketch 3 is independent of Sketch 2. In order to register my change, click Update. We see now that the sketch is underdefined. Let's add some dimensions. 40 millimeters here, okay. And 35 here, okay. Right-click and select to exit the Dimension tool. Let's add a relation, parallel here, and here as well. A parallel relation, and okay, now we've got a fully defined sketch. Let's exit. Rather than using the derived sketch command, we can also simply copy a sketch. Select the sketch, go to the Edit menu and select Copy. Now select the face where you want to place it, edit, and paste. The pasted sketch doesn't have links to the original sketch. Let's apply dimensions. 40, okay. Let's select this point and add a coincident relation. And let's exit the sketch. And this concludes our lesson about the derived sketch function.